We're making a present for Mommy.
Yep, that's the plan.
That's right. We're making more circles for Mommy.
Well, they're not circles, but yeah, we're making more stepping stones.
That's
Okay,
what.
you having me one of the screws, River?
Here we go.
Thank you. It's almost Mother's Day again, so now it's time to make more of the stepping stones we made last year. So, River's going to help me. We're getting ready, and we're going to put together the mold again so we can make these.
That we're making more stones for Mommy. That's why it's Mommy's present. Okay, I'm doing it myself. Did you saw me?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, I will. You have a screw, and I'll screw it in.
You want to try to screw in a couple yourself?
Yeah, I tried. Then I did it.
You tried and then you did it.
I did it.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a couple more.
You jump in the box.
Yeah.
You're going too fast. You gotta go
That's
slow.
so loud. Well, I'll do that. I'm sorry.
You just gotta go slow.
Okay, well, we'll do it this time. I'll be making a white present for Mommy.
It's not gonna be white once it's all done. What you're gonna do is you're gonna roll up your sleeves again. And you're gonna do a big hand. You're gonna put your hands right in the cement. Can you do that? You can use this. This will be fun, it's you. Okay, we'll do one hand at a time. One hand at a time. Stand first. Ready? Good job, it's you. Oh, get up deep, 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 get up deep. Oh, there you go. Very wide as you can, wide as your fingers can go. Get up deep. Okay, pull them up. Good job, it's you. Let's go wash off your hands. Okay, let's not jump at you, just stand still, okay? And then you can pour them, spread them around up here on top. You spread them around. Spread them around, spread them, spread. Okay, other hand again. Okay, do it somewhere else, somewhere else. Okay, in your hand again. Okay, give me your hands, Etsu, give me your hands.
Thank you for Mommy.
Yep, this is thank you for Mommy. Put it right over here.
This?
Yep, right there. Perfect spot, Etsu. Good job.
Again?
You do it again. Look up there. Say Happy Mother's Day.
Have a Mother's Day.
Good job, buddy.
Yeah, we're making another present for us, me and Evie and Daddy.
Yeah?
Yeah. Dad, got one.
Now with River's help, it was time to take Ezio's out of the mold and then reassemble the mold so we could start mixing the concrete for River's stepping stone. I do plan in future years, on making additional molds so I can do all 3 kids at the same time, but for now I just have the one mold. Push. Push even harder. Push, 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 push.
It's in my hand.
I didn't realize that the camera battery died at that time, so we missed River doing her second handprint and also saying Happy Mother's Day to the camera.
Just gonna do a little more.
Nice little piles, you can alternate colors. Did it hurt your hands a little bit when I was pushing them down in here?
Yeah.
It did hurt a little?
Yeah. Just hurt my arms a little.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, it was accident.
You did such a good job. You're pushing really hard. You got a nice deep imprint here. River was meticulously placing each little stone and was alternating the colors, so she had to restock her piles.
One last one right there and there. It's gonna look
Okay, last few ones and we'll be all done, okay? You're doing good, River.
Now I need to go wash my hands.
Yep, we need to go wash your hands. But thank you for...
When I'm rinsing my hands with the hose. Yeah. Go.
Okay, Evie, so I got it all ready, got it all decorated for you. Now we just need your hand signature. Can you spread out your hand? Spread. Oh, spread, 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 spread. Yeah, there we go. Thanks, Evie. Perfect. Just like that. Okay, now don't grab it. Up we go. It kind of got a little something. Okay, now we'll go wash your hands. We'll wash your hands. Let's see if we can get your name in here. Okay, we got it. Happy Mother's Day!
Years of serving. Tables coming in handy.
This is very true. Yep, that's Ezio's from last year, huh? Those are the new ones that Mom was putting down?
Mom, look, I draw my new shoes.
But Ezio, the one Mom is putting down, is your new one, Ezio. The one Mommy just put down? That one says Ezio. Do you guys say Happy Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Say, what's this? This is?
That's Ezio's one from last year, and Ezio's standing on his one from this year. And that's River's new one from this year that Mommy's putting in now.
Where?
Right here.
That's mine.
Yep.
One,
And then one more from Evie.
two, three. What's that?
This one's Evie's.
This one's Evie. That was new Evie's one? That was new Evie's one.
This is Evie's new one.
Not yet. Let Mommy get it in the right spot first.
Here we go.
Your hand still kind of fit from last year, Ezio? Yep, your hand fits perfectly, River. Your hand fits perfectly.
Mine.
Happy Mother's Day, baby.
Thank you. Love you guys.
Love you, Mommy.
Love you, Ezio.
Bye-bye.
Sean, a dustpan there. There you go.
No, no, no.
Thank you, Evie. Thank you for helping. Good job, Evie.
Thank you for mommy my name.